A day in my life as an education student who loves to learn, live, and inspire. Shikain na at dadalhin ko kayo sa aking journey. A blessed Wednesday to all. Nagising nga ako dahil sa sobrang liwanag ng araw. Parang reminder ni Lord na new mercies again today. I started my morning with a book that really inspired me. Grabe, it spoke straight to my heart. Nainit nga ngayon sa Kaitsukan pero carry lang, another day to be grateful and productive. Shoutout nga pala kay Harland Mayor. May class kami today kay Sir Ibon at kay Ma'am Wayne nang biglang may tumawag sa akin. Sabi nasa labas daw siya ng university. Akala ko future boyfriend ko na pero si Kuya Ryder pala. Turns out may parcel pala ako and it is a book sponsored by TikTok. Grabe, thank you Lord for small surprises. Lunch break nga namin kaya bumili muna kami ng kanin at ulam. And after kumain, nag-shoot naman ako ng video for our money hunt today. At guys, first time mag-TikTok dance si Madam. Thank you, Che, for teaching me the steps. After posting nga ng ating money hunt, 2 minutes pa lang may nakahanap na agad. Ang bilis talaga at sobrang nakakaaliw. After class, nag-reporting at nagpa-fun activity kami kasi learning should always be fun, diba? Then, inasikaso ko naman yung payment para sa major dress na in-order namin online. Lord, sana umabot before the 23rd, please. Band practice na naman after class. Kahit pagod, I always find joy doing what I love. After that, umuwi ako para magpahinga saglit. Then, pumunta ako sa church for our midweek service, led by the United Foursquare Women. Indeed, motherhood is truly a gift from God. Yun lang, thanks for spending a day with me. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing. Bye!